Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, okay, let me tell you something. For your information, in KL, in Selangor, is this KL or Selangor, whatever, there's two pavilions, which is the first one is Pavilion Bukit Bintang and the second one is Pavilion Bukit Jalil. And this is a new pavilion right here where we haven't come here to explore it. So today I'm going to show you guys how to come to Pavilion Bukit Jalil by transportation and by public transportation, and we're going to explore Pavilion Bukit Jalil a bit. Yep. So enjoy this journey. So I'm currently standing under this LRT station, Awan Besar LRT station, and this is the Bukit Jalil, Pavilion Bukit Jalil's bus. You have to take this bus to go for the Pavilion Mall in Bukit Jalil. Yeah, so they give 5 minutes time and we are going to board in the bus and go to Pavilion. So let's go to Pavilion and explore Pavilion Bukit Jalil. So as you guys see, at this Pavilion Bukit Jalil Mall, so much of stuff it's like closed, it's like still they're building it, it's like they haven't opened it fully, so we have to wait patiently until they open it. But I can see damn, I think they're building some kind of snow thingy, like playing with snow. They literally built a snow park inside this mall, and I didn't expect to see a snow park in this mall. Like it's a blue ice skate ring, same as Sunway Pyramid, but they built like slides made with snows, and like damn, because we only have like ICT in Malaysia. We only have ICT, and before this we had Genting Snow World, but now Genting Snow World is no more. But they have built a new one. Okay, so basically, what's in this mall? This mall, I don't know why. I feel like this mall is very like peaceful, you know. Like, if you guys see Pavilion Bukit Bintang, the crowd is just like hell. It's like, damn, why so much of crowd? But now, like in this pavilion, I feel like, oh, this place is silent as well. Yeah. In this pavilion, I feel like, damn, this pavilion is so, it's big and it's silent. It's like a normal random mall, yeah, and it's like so silent. Where I like silent, as you guys know, and I can see there's not so much crowd here. It's like less crowd, so it's like a nice place if you guys are introverts, like want to explore, like want to go out. I think this mall is like best mall to go, yeah. And for food, they have so much of option and it's cheap, so no worries. The food is very cheap, cheaper than Sunway Pyramid. I didn't expect to eat so cheaper in this mall, yeah. And then there's so much of shopping stuff as well, and I don't know, like it's just I like this mall, yeah. So I'm just like recommending, like promoting this Bukit Jalil mall, right? So hope you guys enjoyed this Pavilion Bukit Jalil journey, and see you guys next week. Peace.